Story. I can't do this, whispered Amina, staring at the blank screen of her old laptop. Her fingers trembled above the keyboard. She had promised herself that this time, she'd learn English, really learn it. But now, in her small rented room in the bustling outskirts of Manila, surrounded by the noise of honking tricycles and vendors calling out, she felt utterly alone and defeated. Amina was 27, a single mother raising her 5-year-old son, Liam. Her husband had passed away 2 years ago in a motorcycle accident, and since then, life had been a tightrope walk. Every peso counted. Every minute mattered. She worked as a cashier in a local grocery store where most customers spoke English, and while she smiled and nodded politely, she often didn't understand more than a few words. Every misheard sentence, every confused expression, made her feel smaller. That night, as Liam slept beside her with his tiny arm curled around a stuffed bear, Amina opened her laptop again. She typed, "Daily Life English Dialogues," into YouTube's search bar, and a video popped up, "Basic English Speaking, English Conversations Practice." She clicked. The screen lit up with 2 cheerful animated characters having a conversation. "Hi, how are you today?" "I'm good, thank you." "And you?" Amina's lips moved slowly, mimicking them. "Hi, how are you today?" "I'm good, thank you." "And you?" She repeated it again and again. She didn't know it then, but that simple exchange would be the beginning of something extraordinary. Days turned into weeks. Amina began to spend 30 minutes every evening watching videos, practicing aloud. She repeated basic dialogues, at the market, on the phone, in a restaurant. She scribbled notes. She made flashcards. She began speaking to herself in the mirror, then to Liam during breakfast. "Liam, do you want bread?" "Yes, Mommy, I want bread." They both giggled, enjoying their little role-plays. At work, she tried. Hesitantly at first, then with more confidence. "Hello, sir, do you have a loyalty card?" Sometimes she made mistakes. Once she said, "Would you like a rice?" And the customer laughed, but not cruelly, kindly. Amina laughed too. She corrected herself. "1 rice. I mean, would you like some rice?" Each day, her fear loosened its grip. Then one afternoon, her manager called her into the back office. Amina's heart raced. Had she made a mistake? But he smiled. "Amina, I've noticed your English is improving. I was wondering, would you like to help train our new cashiers next month? It's a small promotion, more hours, a little raise, but I think you'd be great at it." Her eyes filled with tears. She bit her lip and nodded. "Yes, sir, thank you so much." That night, she told Liam. He clapped and hugged her, unaware of the weight behind that moment. As the months passed, Amina didn't stop. She joined an online English group, practicing daily dialogues over video calls. She met others like her, mothers, students, workers, each fighting their own quiet battles to be understood. She even started a small YouTube channel, Amina Learns English, where she recorded her own practice videos, hoping someone else might find courage through hers. And they did. Comments trickled in. "Thank you, Amina, you sound like me. Now I believe I can learn too. I'm a nurse in Thailand trying to speak better English. Your video helped me today. I practiced your conversation at work, and I wasn't scared." 1 year after that first trembling attempt, Amina stood in front of a classroom at a local community center, teaching basic English dialogues to women just like her. "Let's practice together," she said. "Say it with me. I believe in myself." And one by one, they echoed it. "I believe in myself. Final message. In every whispered doubt, there is a voice that wants to grow. In every small step, a journey begins. Amina's story isn't just about learning English, it's about believing you are enough to try. No matter where you are, how old you are, or how broken you feel, start with 1 sentence. 1 conversation, 1 moment of courage, because every big dream begins with a simple dialogue. "Hi, how are you today?" And the answer, someday, will be, "I'm doing great. Thank you."